We got a huge win today going into Congress, or already been introduced into Congress, for truck drivers. That's right, a huge win, because this will make anybody that does this become a felony. So you know those people that love to just pass you when you're rolling down on a semi truck and then just brake check you?
Starting with this first idiot who brake checks a semi truck
and cause possibly a crash. You know those people that brake check a semi. Yeah, you've seen that. If you're a truck driver, you know that people do that intentionally all the time. Even if you try to pass somebody quick and move over, they still have a problem of you being in the left lane doing over the speed limit. And for them, that's not fast enough for those four-wheelers. You move over the right lane and them guys decide to brake check you. Well, guess what? If that brake check involves you crashing into them, they become a felon when the cops show up. That's right, introduced by a U.S. Senator, Ashley Moody, Republican, and from Florida. Guess what? Florida. That's what I've been telling you. Florida has some of the best Republicans. Democrats would never think about this. That's right, Democrats don't care about the safety and trucking. They only care about speed limiters and finding ways to tax and fine truckers. They don't care about safety. So it's introduced by Ashley Moody, by a Republican in Florida, whose stuff or versions are backed by the House. And guess what? The core offense is this: makes intentional engineering a collision with a commercial motor vehicle, semi-truck, a standalone federal crime. Yep. Penalties is up to 20 years in federal prison for participants, a mandatory minimum of 20 years if the stage crash results in a serious bodily injury or death. Did you hear that? Minimum of 20 years. Basically a life sentence in prison as a result. And guess what? Co-conspirators targeted as well. So it explicitly reaches organizers, arrangers, and knowing participants, including complicit attorneys and physicians involved in the cash for crash legal schemes. You know what that means? This means the signs that you see involved in a semi-truck crash and a big rig crash, and you want to get cash for it as a person who drives a car, that won't be allowed anymore. You have to have legal reasons for that. You can't just simply create a crash and get money from it. Guess what? You brake check me and something happens as a result, your butt is going to prison for 20 years if you survive the crash. Because a lot of times when you brake check a semi and the semi smacks you, you ain't making out of it. I'm sorry, you ain't making out of it. This is finally a law going into truckers' favor. And I like it, because somebody brake checking you should deserve the full penalty, and not you who are driving a semi-truck. Because guess what? A lot of people try to say, oh, he was following too close, that's why he crashed. No, 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 no. I got proof that he brake checked me. So anybody owning or driving a car and think about road raging against a semi-truck, think twice. First of all, think twice for your life, because you may not make out of it. And think twice. You're going to prison and getting a fine. You're gonna ruin your life by brake checking a semi-truck. Just saying. I'm pretty sure if you brake check a semi, a crash happens and no injury or death happened, but that's still gonna be against you. I think they're gonna have severe punishments as well if there was no death or bodily injury. That's what I think. This is finally a bill in truckers' favor, because we truck drivers are tired of when we get brake checked, even if we're in the right lane doing nothing, or we simply are just trying to pass somebody and we're not speed limited. We move over and you still brake check us. Or when we read the sign that says left lane, trucks only, and you still brake check us for following the law, your butt's going to jail. Finally, your butt is going to jail. That's exactly what we needed. That's exactly what we needed. We need to finally treat the lesson of road ragers, because we as truckers have had enough. We're trying to keep everyone safe on the road, because when you brake check us, we don't only hit you. If we hit you, our vehicle can come out of control and cause a multi-vehicle pileup. That's right, you heard. A multi-vehicle pileup can happen, because who knows, maybe we'll swerve to try not to hit you. Guess what? We flip over, a bunch of vehicles crash. Or we flip over, crash on top of other vehicles. Or we hit you when the vehicle comes out of control and we swerve afterwards because we can't control our steering. Guess what? Your butt's going to jail. Finally dealing with you the way we're supposed to deal with. The Republicans from Florida have some good morals and good laws coming out. This is perfect. And no more predatory attorneys or anybody trying to blame the trucker and have the person that brake checked you the victim. There will be less and less of staged crashes and insurance fraud, because insurance fraud by itself, insurance is just not going to cover you. This right here will put your butt into prison. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004
Turn right.
This particular package, drive an attempt on the 6 Series.